One of the best ways to increase course sales is to offer 2 choices or more instead of just one. When you offer one pricing option, people are asking the question, should I buy or should I not? As soon as you offer 2 or more, they're asking the question, which one should I buy? That is a very important distinction. And in this video, I'm going to show you in Kajabi how to set up what's called tiered pricing, meaning that there's more than one option of pricing. It's super simple to do right inside Kajabi. I'm going to show you how all of it works. And if you're going to try out Kajabi, if you're interested in that, I've got a lot of content on my channel to help you out with Kajabi. And I also want to offer you something if you use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get the free 14-day trial that Kajabi offers, but I'm also going to give you my exclusive $25,000 course launch email template, which is a simple, actionable guide that will help you launch your first course. These are the exact emails and the exact email strategy that I used when I launched my first course on Kajabi, and I made $25,000 within the first 3 launches. And I learned a ton from that process and really honed this template. And so it'll be a great addition to your Kajabi journey. So use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi, get the free trial. I'll send you my $25,000 course launch email template when you join Kajabi, and I can't wait to see you jump on the platform, and I can't wait to see what you're gonna do on it. That is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission when you join using my link. So if you benefit from these videos, I would appreciate that so much. All right, let's dive into tiered pricing. I wanna show you very simply how to do this on Kajabi, but then also what you can do to take your existing course, or maybe the course that you're building, and go ahead and add a second higher tier to it. So this is my course on the Preaching Donkey side of things, which I have a whole business called Preaching Donkey, where I help preachers communicate better. And so in this course, which is called Killer Sermons Academy, this, by the way, is the back end of Kajabi, where you build the course. I mean, you build the sales page. This is my sales page. So literally it's just, you just put in the content, and I'm able to put in pictures. I'm able to put in headings. I'm able to put in bullets. I'm able to put in, this is actually a JPEG. So you can do all kinds of things. And I've got testimonials. I've got all of the things that a little accordion Q&A page, all of that. But what I want to show you is when we go down here to where I finally reveal the price, I'm going to do something right here called price anchoring. This is where I'm showing that the value of everything I'm offering is $3,500, but you can get all of it for one price of $397. But if you don't want the bonuses, you get it for $297. So here's what it looks like. There are 2 tiers of the course, right? The choice is yours. You can either get the basic tier, which is $297, or you can get the platinum tier, which is $397. And I'm showing visually what this looks like between these 2 options. So if you click here, you can see that this is called a pricing card. So on Kajabi, on this over here, you have all of the different sections of this page that we're on, right? So if we go all the way down here, we can see that I added pricing cards, and within that there are 2 of them. This is a pricing card and this is a pricing card, and Kajabi makes them sit very easily right next to each other. So this is what it looks like on the actual pricing page. So this is exactly what you were looking at before, but let's see what it looks like in the finished product, because this is the sales page. If they click in certain places, it takes them to the pricing page, and then this is what they're seeing. So the end user is going to see this page where they have 2 options, right? So let's say they get to this and they're like, yes, I'm in, I want to buy it. You got the 60-day money back guarantee. Awesome. Then I'm going to try one of these options. Which one? Well, the basic is going to give me the whole course, and I'm going to get the action steps and lesson slides and PDF guides and bonuses for $297. But for just $100 more, I'm getting these 3 platinum bonuses. And what I have found is that most people end up going with the more expensive option because it's not that much more money to pay the extra $100 and get all of that, including an evaluation bonus where they actually are going to hear from me directly, where I'm going to evaluate their message. So if you decide you want to do this on your sales page within Kajabi, you just click over here on Add Section. You go down to Pricing Card, which is under Offers and Pricing. Hit Pricing Card, and it's going to give you this option to add. So you hit Add, and you get these 3 different options, and you can change these all you want. So let's say we want to have a basic and an advanced, but we don't want to have a professional. So you just click on this, you go down here, and you delete that block. So now we have 2 options. Let's say basic, and this one is going to be platinum, just to keep the language the same as what I was using before. You can call it whatever you want. It's up to you. And this is going to be $29 a month, and that's going to be $49 a month. And you've got these features, right? And you can even put the most popular thing over here if you want, which is really cool, just to kind of show people that most people end up going with the platinum. And then over here, what you can do, and this is something that I did, is these bottom 3, let's say that we don't have access to those. So I'm going to do a strike through. Let's see, inline, I'm going to strike through. And then I'm going to actually change the color of these to more of like a gray. And then I'm going to save that. And then boom. So here you go. You've got basic where you only have these 2. And then you have platinum where you have all of those. It's that simple. And by the way, you can put in, the text that you want. Obviously, you're going to need to change the text. But Kajabi fills in so much of this stuff for you so that you don't have to kind of invent the wheel or reinvent the wheel every time, because it already kind of has all this stuff on there. You don't have to reinvent the wheel every time because Kajabi just places it in there, and you can very simply just make edits on their already awesome looking pricing page or sales page or whatever. My suggestion would be always to try to figure out, how can I offer this in at least 2 different prices? In another course that I have called Preaching Jumpstart, it's a $97 course, but I offer a simple $197 option. So it's $100 more, and for that extra $100, you get a Zoom call with me where I evaluate one of your messages. So that's an easy way for me to give someone an opportunity to get what normally costs a lot more than $100. They can do it right there in the course, and it offers the 2-tiered pricing. And I think what happens is this actually increases the sales of the course overall, because again, that psychology of changing the question from should I buy this to which one of these choices should I buy, that one shift goes a long way, and Kajabi makes this super easy. I can't wait to see what you do with tiered pricing on your sales pages in Kajabi. In the meantime, click on this playlist, which is going to take you deeper into Kajabi. I'm going to show you tutorials and reviews, especially if you're trying to figure out if Kajabi is right for you. Definitely click on that playlist and I'll take you all through it. So click right there and I'll see you in there, and we'll go deeper on Kajabi.